Happy New Year po sa lahat, especially sa mga JML fans dyan. I know it's been a while since the last time I uploaded a reaction video for Mariel or JM. So today, we're going to start the new year with a new reaction for Mariel Montellano. So kumanta po siya ng Till They Take My Heart Away. This is going to be a full performance. And hope you like it na yung reaction ko kasi marami akong natatanggap na messages kung saan na no yung reaction video ko for Mariel. So eto na, and after this I'm going to react to performances nila ni JM sa Your Face Sounds Familiar. So make sure naka-follow po kayo at naka-subscribe kayo sa akin sa YouTube, okay? Because I'm going to start again uploading on my YouTube channel. So, yeah, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Ang sexy ni Mariel, no? Pero very classy and elegant pa rin. Excited ako nito eh. Very relaxed lang. Very angelic ng boses. Beautiful. Hindi pilit eh, no? Nice vibrato. Okay, may konting puwersa na, no? That's what you call dynamics. Yung mga emphasis. O, di ba yung bitaw may power na? Di ba yung sa first chorus, medyo airy eh. Second chorus, may puwersa na talaga. That's what you call dynamics. Beautiful. Woo! Perfection. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing. That's how you sing, 'di ba? Merong dynamics. Hindi puro puwersado, no? You have to place your techniques, no? Dapat may mga modulations well placed dapat, no? And I think Mariel Montiliano is really a perfect example of a singer na hindi nagmamadali, no? She's taking her time, no, and making sure na everything is well placed. Yung belting niya, no, yung vibrato niya, yung emphasis ng mga vowels, no, yung prolonged notes, amazing. So that's why I really like, no, I really love Mariel Montiliano's talent, no? Pagdating sa kantahan. Sila dalawa ni JM because they're very mature and ano sila hindi lang mature but they're continuously learning and improving, no? Wala kang maririnig or makikitang performances nila na hindi sila gumagaling, no? Every time they perform, no, individually and as a duo, talagang you can see improvements, no? So, yeah, that's amazing. Amazing, amazing. So, abangan yung iba kong reaction na and more reaction to come. So, yeah. 2026 na, babawi tayo. Double time tayo sa paggawa ng video so that double time din kayo sa panonood ng videos ko. And isa lang po yung request ko sa inyo, react to this, react to my videos, comment kayo, and don't forget to share my videos. Okay? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace and happy New Year. God bless everybody.